Hi, I'm Ivor. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to do the middle finger transition on TikTok. Let's go. It's actually easier than you think. So you're gonna start by holding your camera on your right hand and the middle finger on your left. Place the middle finger close to the camera, and your camera angle gotta turn to the left together with your left hand holding the middle finger. Like showing the back of the hand and then show it to the palm. See? Easy. So just place the middle finger showing back of your hand close to the camera. Now turn your camera to the left together with your middle finger rotating and facing to the front. Now you gotta switch your hand from your right hand to your left hand, and your middle finger is gonna be on your right. And you're gonna start with your palm facing to the front camera. Wait, hold up, gotta pull the mic. And when you turn your camera angle back to yourself, you gotta rotate your middle finger from your palm like this. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Now for the second part, switch to your right hand and start with the middle finger with your palm facing in the front, and then rotate it together with your camera angle. And to get the perfect transition, you gotta tap on adjust clips and trim a little bit both of the clips. Like for the first part, you gotta trim the end of the clip a little bit. You gotta trim to the part where your hand is looking a little bit blurry so that we get like a blurry motion. And you're done. So that's all I got for you guys. If you guys have any questions or you want me to do any other tutorials, just let me know in the comments. If you want to, like or subscribe, and see you then. Take care.